AmpNet Connect presents AmpTwist 7AS SL Jack, the evolution in Category 7. Prepare the AmpTwist hand tool using the adapter plate delivered with the connectors. Remove the sheath and fold back the braid. Cut the braid to length and fold it around the cable sheath. Insert the cable into the foil stripper of the SL Jack hand tool and turn the tool around the cable once. Sort the pairs. 2 of them have to be crossed. Cut approximately 2 centimeters of 2 of the 4 pairs. Put the back side of the AmpTwist connector onto the cable. The shield clamp must grab the cable sheath, not the pair foils.
Okay.
Remove the pair foils close to the top of the wire holder. Insert the 4 pairs into the wire holder. Plug on the front part of the connector. Both parts are coded and fit only in one position. Open the dust cover. Insert the AmpTwist 7AS connector into the hand tool and press down the handle. All 8 wires are now positioned in the terminals under exactly the right pressure and in a reproducible quality. With the automatic wire cutting technique, all wires are cut within the same working process.